Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome back to another episode. Happy New Year. Today, we're going to be starting a new one. This one's going to be titled Pastel Tides. Down below, you'll be able to find a link where you can go download that reference image. If this is your first time here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Also, go ahead and take a visit to my website while you're at it. I've got all sorts of stuff on there to help support me. And now we're just going to get right into today's video. So to start this underpainting off, I wet down the back and the front of the canvas really well and spread that around. And then I put on 5 dabs of burnt sienna and just kind of worked that around with a very wide wash brush. And from there, I used a paper towel to sort of do some erasing of some of the lines and shapes that I wanted to kind of block in. So to start the basic block in of our sky, I mixed up some mid to light tone gray and added some blue to it and just went a little crazy adding it in. And occasionally I would mix in just a little bit of red to give it that little bit of a purple tinge to it. For the basic block-in of this sky, I did several different layers just to add in some more depth and build up on some of these clouds that I'm going to be working on. Now I just wanted to get some basic lines down here, so I just used some raw umber and a small oval mop brush and just drew on whatever I felt was necessary. So for the last bit of block-in, we're going to be adding in a bunch of this peach and yellowish hues. This I just kind of went a little crazy with. I know a lot of it's going to end up getting covered, but I think this really brought out a lot of the different contrasting hues. All right, I know it may not look like much as of now, but this is a very good basic block in and a good stopping point. I just wanted to get this video out to you guys for the first of the year. If you have been following along, then you should have something close to this. I just wanted to take a second to wish all of you a happy new year. This is going to be a big year for me. We're going to be having a lot of projects recorded and new content constantly. I'm going to push for 2 videos a week. And just stick along with me. We'll get this one painted up. It's going to be looking fantastic. If this is your first time, please remember, hit that subscribe and that like button, and I'll see you in the next episode.